Well, we're going to go up here and see how the Chief's doing. He fishing with a 2 or 3 foot pink fishing pole. So let's have a look at this guy. See, we're fishing for winter steelhead and coho. So, let's have a little look at this guy. See his technique. He's been doing really good out here, I guess. Really getting to be a popular figure in town. How you doing, sir? Pretty good. We'd like to see what you got on the rod there for your bait.
This is what I call a rooster tail.
Oh, wow. Have you done pretty good with that this year?
Oh, I caught a few here and there.
I couldn't help but notice your rod. That's cute.
That's Barbie.
Huh. All right. Well, let's see you throw that girl out there and catch on.
Yeah, you gotta be careful because this thing's a smoker.
Okay. We're all over it. Oh, wow. That's a 100-foot cast at least.
Oh, you like that?
Nice job. Well, thank you for your time, sir. It's been a pleasure.